Hello everyone and welcome to our I Pick My Butt video. More Archero today, and we have some more information for you as far as Soulstones, Hero Shards, and Evolution Chips. Now I wanted to come back in, do the event again, which by the way, the event did show up a second day in a row, which means we're not going to get the skip on it like we would normally get with flying bullets or up close dangers. But I wanted to go back in and try to get enough of these Soulstones to go and get a Rolla Hero Shard and unlock Rolla. And luckily for me, we were able to get enough of them. And I went to finally cash it in. You could see here, we did claim it. I should have probably noticed when it said remaining 10 that that was an indicator right there. But I suspected that there might be something that we need these hero shards to upgrade our hero in the evolution stages themselves. So I went over to see and check this out. It looks like it's going to be 1 out of 30. So that's right, 30 hero shards we're going to need to unlock Rolla, which means if we were to do the event, you can only get a max of 10, which means you need to get 300 soul stones, and this is what I got on my first 2 runs here. I almost made it towards the end. So the next thing I wanted to figure out was, are we going to need these hero shards to be used to upgrade the evolution stage of it? So I went over to MarioSonic and upgraded him all the way up to 100%, and pretty much found out that yes, we are going to need him. So to take him to level 1, we're going to need 10 of these shards for MarioSonic, which means that all those other ones you saw of, hey, I don't need the hero shard to unlock this character, well, it looks like you actually are if you want to unlock all those abilities. But once again, what would Archero be if we didn't have some sort of special box to help us out here? And we have the hero shard chest, and this is going to be a way that we're going to get chances to get those hero shards. On top of that, we'll also get some cookies too, so let's waste a couple of gems here, and we actually get some pretty decent things out of it. I don't really know if that's justifiable for 200 or 250 gems, but right now I really want these things. I can't wait, so we'll just spend the gems. But one last thing to keep an eye on is if you're doing this event and you have soul stones, if they don't get used up and you don't claim them, they will give you random shards for them. Don't actually know if it's just going to spend the 8 and waste the rest, but we'll just have to wait the 2 days and actually see what happens with this. Now, I don't know about you, but this is actually making me more excited to play the game and grind it, because now I really want to unlock everything. I want to get these evolutions. I want to see what these all hero abilities actually do and how they help my characters. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and remember, I pick my butt.